This is Geography Markup Language. It's an XML format for sharing map data. You can open it as text to see coordinates or use QGIS to see the actual map visually. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's map it. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn GML files. Geography Markup Language, GML, is an XML-based encoding standard for geographic information. It's used to represent geographic features such as points, lines, and polygons, along with their properties and relationships. GML is widely used in geographic information systems, GIS, and web mapping applications for data exchange and interoperability. GML documents adhere to a specific XML schema that defines the structure and content of geographic data. The schema specifies elements for representing features, geometries, coordinate reference systems, and other geographic concepts. GML supports various geometry types, including points, lines, polygons, and curves, and allows for the representation of complex spatial relationships. In most cases, GML files work reliably with GIS software. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows offers no meaningful preview, so geographic visualization must occur in GIS software. We'll systematically check compatibility. Right-click your GML file and choose Open With. Start with the most relevant-looking option in the lists, especially anything mentioning GIS software. If it fails, try the next app until one opens it. When your GML file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We're dealing with a highly specific GML file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, use GIS software. If a geospatial file, open the file using a GIS application like ArcGIS or Global Mapper. Next, use GameMaker. If a game library, open the file using GameMaker Studio or the associated game engine. Finally, open as text. Open the .gml file in a text editor to view the XML structure or code. When every program on your system rejects your GML file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same three-letter label for different things. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening these ambiguous file types. I highly recommend FileMagick because its core feature is its instant view capability, which works even when the underlying GML format has been tampered with. Download it today at filemagick.com. Keep your skills sharp, and thanks for learning with me. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.